Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen, this is a 15-minute chart where you will understand how the price of natural gas is moving intraday wise. See, if you look at this trend, what we have seen after making a move from a zone, we have seen there is a upside as well as downfall we have seen in the price of natural gas. Okay, it is continuously on the upside. If you look at the 15-minute chart, there is a good volatility we can see for the day wise chart as per the 15-minute chart. If you look at this trend, so how much volatility you can see. If you have bought at this particular level, see it went up and then came to this particular level. After that there is a continuous side. Okay, now what you can see from the month of April, there is a continuous upside we have seen, but yes, there is a good volatility. Chances will be very high that if the price keeps sustaining over this level, a further upside movement we can see, because previously what we have seen, the range was and volatility was very less compared to what we have seen in the after the month of April. Okay, if you look at the dollar index also, you will see clearly that the dollar index is continuously moving upside, and I have already explained you that there is a clear pattern forming, and chances are very high that it will go above a level of 107, because this pattern is supporting this trend, and chance of going further upside we can see for the dollar index. So we can see natural gas price can come down, because they are now, as of now, it is inversely related. Okay, and till the time it is not going below a level of around, you can say 104, we will not see there will be a fall in the price of dollar index. So that if it started falling the dollar index, then we can see natural price can go further upside. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can go on Monday, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Look at this particular chart. What we can see, suppose if the price sustain this level, chances are very high that it will go further high and can touch a level of $1.9471. Okay, if the price keep moving up this level, it will go towards a level of $1.9573. Okay, and once the price started going up with this particular level, chance of touching a level of 1.98216 will be there, and from there a further upside we can see towards a level of $2, $2.021. Okay, and chances are very high that as soon as the price started moving above that particular level, we will see that it will cross a level of 2.0509, and then it will go out of this zone. So keep it that in mind, because as soon as started going out of this zone, chances will be very high that it will cross a level of $2.130. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside movement we can see towards 2.1718. This 2.1718 is already being tested, so chances are high it will cross that level, and from there a probability of touching 2.3 will be there. This 2.3 level is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will touch that level, and from there it can go towards 2.7 and then further high. Okay, keep it in mind that as soon as started in the range of $2, that we can see it will move in the zone of 213. Okay, but if it is not going above a level of 2, we will see that it can move again in the zone of 1.5 to a $2 zone, because it is trying to go upside, but volatility is good from the month of April. Okay. Now, so if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID also in the description, and a telegram link also there. But suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, market is always uncertain. So that if you look at the two previous weeks, we have seen that the dollar index was also moving upside, and the commodities are also moving upside. So always try to set your SL, that will save your capital. So suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can go towards its next support at a level of $1.9152. Okay, and if that level move further low, then we can see it will go towards a level of $1.9072. Okay, if the price keep falling below that level, a chance of touching a level of 1.8806 will be there. Okay, and if that level move further low, we will see it will go towards 1.8505. Okay, and once the price started moving below that particular zone, chances of touching a level of 1.8190 will be there, and then a further low we can see towards a level of around 1 point below a level of 1.8. Then we can see it will go towards a level of $1.78, and then a probability of crossing that level we can see, and then probability of touching 1.7351. Keep that in mind that as soon as it started going below 1.8, chances of falling further down we can see, and then from there a level of 1.83, and then to a level of 1.73. This level we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if